He asked me for Gemma's hand in marriage when they were camping down at Luca, and he asked me to go for a walk with Tom, just the two of us. And he picked, as we walked along, he picked the most public place that he could find, probably 2 folks and 3 dogs, in Iluka, that he could find. The only thing that he thought, before he asked a question, he thought he was either going to get bashed and he wanted witnesses in case the decision that he wanted went south. However, my response to young Tom was, "Why'd you wait this long to ask?"
My mind's a wrecking ball, swinging in between doubts and fears and all the things.
Gemma, I'm so glad our paths have crossed together and we have got to where we are today. From the moment I first laid eyes on you, I knew I was going to fall in love with you. History shows that it did not take long. In our marriage, I promise to trust you, protect you, laugh with you, and especially at you when Penrith lose. But most importantly, I promise to love you each and every single day. I vow to be your best friend, to be there for you in sickness and in health, and for better or for worse. I choose you as the person who I will spend my life.
Of all that I've seen come and go, you're like nothing I have known.
Thomas, I love that you were caring, passionate, and you make me laugh daily. I feel so lucky that I get to have you as a person I spend the rest of my life with. I am grateful that I get to be there for you and support you. In our marriage, I promise to continue to love and care for you, to share your joy, and to comfort you in times of need. I will nurture our marriage, accepting any challenges that come our way. I see these vows not as promises, but as privileges. I get to laugh with you, care for you, and continue to build our lives together. I do, however, promise to continue to include treats for Tomo in the grocery list. It'll be my honour to be your wife.
Beautiful Gemma. Let's give them a round of applause. Family and friends, can I ask you all now to join me with a huge round of applause as we congratulate the newly married Mr. and Mrs. Thomas and Gemma West. You may walk down the aisle.
Gemma and Tom, no doubt you've got a lot of good times ahead of you, some travel, and Gemma, I'm sure it will never be dull. However, if you work as a team, support one another, use good communication. Thomas, I'm looking directly at you. And keep the romance alive. I think that's a good starting point for any marriage. Tom, I'm glad you've finally found your running partner.
I would like to start by saying how great it is to be here for this wonderful celebration, the wedding of Gemma Campbell and Nathan Cleary. Sorry, wrong speech, we'll start again.